Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to check power cord and housing for your power tool. Begin by unplugging the power tool from the wall outlet to fully disconnect electrical power before inspection. Place the power tool on a stable work surface where the cord and housing are clearly visible. Look along the full length of the power cord from the plug to the tool body. Run your hand slowly along the power cord to feel for cuts, cracks, bulges, or damaged insulation. Inspect the plug and cord strain relief near the tool body for looseness or visible damage. Inspect the outer housing and handle area for cracks, loose parts, or visible structural damage. Finally, place the inspected power tool back on the work surface with the cord neatly arranged once the inspection is complete.